Alright guys, so right now we're actually standing outside of American Steel Corporation in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm here with Chicago Elevators.
Hello.
Now,
and me.
Oh yeah.
And Dom. Hello.
Yep, and with my friend Dom. And the reason why we stopped by here is because they happen to have some siren parts that are detached. As you can see here, you got an an old ACA P10 excuse me, painted in the yellow civil defense color. You got the big brother, known as the P50, and man, look how big that thing is up close. Holy crap! And down here we got some Cyclone chopper, I believe. And is it 8x12?
Yes.
Yeah, you got an 8x12 chopper. And over here, as you can see, you got an I-Force 1600 and a T128.
And then there's a Model 5 back there.
Yeah, you got a control box, a solar panel, and yeah. See, that Model 5 over there is proof that American Steel Corporation has copied federal signal.
They don't always. No. But look, you got a Super Banshee and Cyclone back there as well.
Oh yeah. As you can see by like you also got that. Oh, I think you know it also has like a part of either being an old Directo or an alerter 125.
What?
I think there's a part of an alerter 125.
Oh, yeah, that is. It's part of the alerter.
Yeah, that's part of an alerter.
Parts of it.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. That's basically what's that's basically what's past that gate, and we're actually gonna leave right away though, because apparently this place is monitored.
You can see the sign said no trespassing.
Yeah, it says no trespassing. The property is printed under video surveillance, but trespassers will be prosecuted.
Pause, you can read it.
Oh yeah, pause. You want to read the sign.
Come on. All right.
And we're moving on. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video I made here, and that's gonna be it.